Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something very important. We will talk about how to learn English. Learning English can be fun. It can be easy if we do it the right way. So, today I will share some tips with you. But before that, let me tell you a story. When I was young, I did not know English. I felt scared when someone spoke in English. I used to think, how will I ever learn this language? But then something changed. One day I heard a story in English. It was a single story. I did not understand all the words, but I liked listening to it. So I listened again the next day, then again the next day. Slowly, the words became clear. Slowly, I started to understand, and then my fear went away. This is the first tip. Listen to English every day. You can listen to stories, you can listen to songs, you can listen to the news. When you listen, you hear new words. You learn how to say them. You learn how to use them. Now let's move to the second tip. Speak without fear. When I started to speak, I made many mistakes. People laughed sometimes, but I didn't stop. I said simple sentences. I spoke slowly, and day by day, my confidence grew. You can do the same. Start with small sentences. My name is, I like this, I am going to the market. Don't worry if your grammar is not perfect. Just speak. Speaking will make you stronger. The third tip. Read simple English every day. I started reading children's story books. Books with pictures and easy sentences. Then I moved to newspapers, short stories, and articles. Reading helps you learn new words. It also helps you understand sentence structure. Try reading for just 10 minutes every day. The fourth tip. Write a little in English every day. You can keep a small notebook. Write 3 to 5 lines every day. Write about your day, your thoughts, your plans. For example, today I woke up early. I made tea. I watched a video in English. I want to speak better English. I will practice more. Writing helps you remember words. It also improves your grammar. The fifth tip. Think in English. Yes, this may sound difficult at first, but it's powerful. Try to make small sentences in your mind in English. Instead of thinking, मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ, think, I want to drink water. Do this again and again. Your brain will get used to English. The sixth tip. Use what you learn. If you learn a new word, try to use it the same day. If you learn a new sentence, say it to yourself or to a friend. Practice makes progress. Now let's talk about one more thing. Motivation. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we feel we cannot learn. That's okay. We all feel that way. But remember why you started. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to talk to more people. Keep your goal in mind and don't give up. English is not just a language, it's a skill, and skills get better with practice. Let's revise the tips. Listen to English every day. Speak without fear. Read simple English. Write a little daily. Think in English. Use what you learn. And the most important, enjoy the process. Don't make it boring. Watch English movies. Sing English songs. Talk to friends in English. You can do it. If I can, you can too. Start small, be regular, and one day you will speak English with confidence. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video. Thank you much more.